So this is a sort of review of Mangools. So it's got all the SEO tools that you would need to rank your blog, to rank your YouTube video or website. There's quite a lot in this, so if you're interested in it, then check the link in the description and you can check it out. So they've got a lot of good tools. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm going to go through KWFinder or keyword finder. So perhaps you want the right keywords if you're running a Google ads campaign, because it's quite expensive. You might pay for a keyword that's $5. It might get you a click, but that's what you're paying. But then you can find low competitive keywords for like 10 cents a click, and you can get a lot more clicks. Or you're using it for ranking YouTube video or a blog, so you can search by your domain if you have a domain, and you can also get keywords anywhere or from United States or tier 1 countries like United Kingdom, just the USA, and perhaps you want them to speak English or not, be very specific. So I do affiliate marketing, but we'll just type make money online, and then you can press enter or just find keywords from here, and then it's going to give you a lot of data, and this side of it is if you're going to run ads. Look, if that's quite a lot of money for a cost per click, $3.18, and this is the ranking. If we go to it's calculated, so we can't actually click on that, but that's the ranking system, and it's been searched over 75,000 times, and this is the trend. You can see all the sort of different data. You can export it, or you can save it, you can add it for later on, and this is with the yellow, then that's kind of half and half, like ranking for that keyword, and then green, this is quite good here, that you likely could rank for that keyword, and then reds, it's quite difficult, so you can upgrade and get more data. So the possibility out of 100 is sort of 40, so it's kind of half and half, so it's quite a good search term rather, and then backlink to these sites. You could backlink to them as well and get traffic that way, but you might want to broaden it and put how to make money online, and see what it says this time. So it's 46 out of 100, so you might in some of these keywords rank, and here's one that's quite a good chance. If we click on that, how can I make money from home? So it's so in fact this is actually hard, mixed up, 59 out of 100. So the lower the score, the higher the possibility, and you could rank via these what you call it, the backlinks. So if you contact them, you could get a backlink with them. That's putting your link on their site. If we can, yeah, just come back here. So you can play about with it, and then even think of different keywords. Maybe you've got a sort of weight loss program, so you could put in to lose belly fat, and you would search. If it comes up, click on that one, and that's very hard to rank for that one. And we could how to get rid of belly fat men. Click on that one. That's also quite hard. So this is quite a competitive niche. How to get rid of menopause belly. It's now saying I need to upgrade. So you get a wee bit on the free plan, but if you want to subscribe to this and get a lot more tools and rank that YouTube video, rank that blog, certainly take a look at this one. But perhaps you've not got a business, well, take a look at our boot camp and our partner option. It's a business like no other. Really consider looking at both. Both's really going to help you, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.